Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and it's autumn, time to start thinking about Thanksgiving, although it's not quite Halloween yet. I picked up this book, Sweet Potatoes, Roasted, Loaded, Fried, and Made into Pie, by Mary Frances Heck, and I'm not personally a sweet potato lover, but I'll eat them. But I'm trying to like them, because as a grown-up, you should like most foods. And as a vegetarian, I really can't say no to vegetables because I need to eat as many as possible because I'm not eating meat. So let's check this out. Don't know who published it, but we're about to find out. It came out in 2019. It is, oh good, Clarkson Potter. Let's check it out. For the farmers and the cooks who throughout history have nourished others with this humble root. Let's check out the table of contents. Introduction, a sweet potato primer. The first chapter is called In the Rough. Second chapter is Big Bites and Small Plates. Third chapter is Soups and Stews. My favorite way to eat sweet potatoes if I have to is soup. Side dishes, main courses, breads and baked goods, and sweets. Okay, if you made a sweet potato donut, I would probably eat it. So introduction, we're going to skip that. We don't have time. Read it later. Info on how to store it. Tips, etc. Complementary seasonings and ingredients. For example, chilies, onions, celery, carrots, mushrooms, corn, etc. goes well with sweet potatoes. Okay, first chapter, In the Rough. Steamed sweet potatoes. I've actually never steamed them. I have oven roasted them. Still didn't enjoy the taste and texture, but I ate it. Coal roasted sweet potatoes. For those of you that like cooking outside like I do. I love cooking over my fire pit. Boiled sweet potatoes, sweet potato puree. Sweet potato fries. Now you're speaking my language. This I will eat. Sweet potato fries the hard way or the easy way. Sweet potato chips, which I should try making. Hey. Ooh, essentials for frying. Here's how they look when you're done. Big bites and small plates. Buffalo sweet potatoes, Jiaoyan salt and pepper sweet potatoes. That you could get me interested in. Sweet potato apple butter crostini with speck. Veggie tamaki. Ooh. Twice baked sweet potatoes. I only have time to bake things once, I'm sorry. Hot pepper labneh with sweet potato wedges. I love labneh. That might work if it wasn't too spicy. Now we're in the soups and stews chapter. Thai-style noodle curry. That sounds good. Oh, look at this beautiful photo. That's probably the first thing I would make out of this book, besides the sweet potato fries. Chicken and dumplings. Braised sausage with lentils and white sweet potatoes. Miso soup with ginger and tofu. And sweet potato, of course. Sweet potato, celeriac, and scallop chowder. That sounds good. Sweet potato leaf and fava bean stew. I didn't know you could eat the leaves. What? Now we're into the side dishes. Think Thanksgiving. Baby sweet potatoes a la plancha. White sweet potatoes with chimichurri. Ooh, cracked sweet potatoes with chiles and coconut. Grilled sweet potatoes with garlic maple glaze, sweet potato risotto, charred purple sweet potatoes with sambal butter, tamales, yum. Something called palak aloo, is that Indian? I see ginger in the recipe. Now we're on the main courses chapter, black date chicken, Irish fish pie, I've never heard of such a thing, that's cool. Cobb salad with sweet potatoes and buttermilk chive dressing. Huevos rotos con chorizo. Eggs and roots with meat. Sweet potato ravioli. Stir-fried sweet potatoes. Cacio e pepe, but with sweet potatoes instead of my favorite flour pasta. Sweet potato, quote-unquote, Big Macs. Yay, vegetarian burgers. Sweet potato gnocchi would be entirely too gooey and mushy for me personally. Sweet potato tacos. Now you're talking. Now we're in the breads and baked goods. Can't wait to see what they came up with for this. Sweet potato milk bread dough. Make it nice and moist and fibrous. Pull apart dinner rolls. Now that looks good. Do that for Thanksgiving. That would be a nice way to if you have time to bake for Thanksgiving. Sweet potato chocolate babka. Ultimate cream cheese cinnamon rolls made from sweet potatoes. Love it. This is clever. Ooh, wait till you see this picture. Brace yourself. A sweet potato galette. Gorgeous. Love it. Sweet potato waffles and muffins. And now we're in the sweets chapter, although that was a bunch of sweet stuff. Mexican candied sweet potatoes. Black bottom sweet potato pie. Yum. Sweet potato ice cream. No, sorry, I'm not there yet. Sweet potato and sherry flan. That I would eat. Okay. An ambrosia Swiss roll, and we're at the end of the book. That was really cool. I'm glad I picked this up. I'm going to go back through it more slowly when I'm off camera. I hope you enjoyed this cookbook look through. You can see more of them on the cookbookdivas.com website. We have a podcast about cookbooks and cookbook news, and we post cookbook news and videos and info to Facebook and Instagram and of course YouTube. Bye!